How to save Google Photos to gallery. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, locate your Photos application and then open it. Here you can see different photos that might not be in your gallery because it might have been backed up and no longer available in your gallery. Now if that is the case and you want to download it, open the photo, tap on the share icon and then tap on more. You should find an option of download or save to gallery and simply tap on that button and then download it to your device. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.